Before we came along, nobody had ever designed a satellite system to be able to monitor from space emissions from individual facilities. Our innovation is about monitoring greenhouse gas emissions from industrial facilities around the world. And we do that using our own satellites. And more specifically, this is about monitoring the primary greenhouse gas, carbon dioxide, from satellites that are flying around the Earth every day, about 15 times a day, traveling at about 7 kilometers per second, about 500 kilometers from the surface of the Earth. We have to date mitigated about 15 million tons of carbon dioxide equivalent. And that's really hard to kind of put your finger on, and tons of gas is a really weird concept. But think of it as we've taken the equivalent of millions of cars off the road every year by the amount of greenhouse gases that we've helped our customers mitigate, reduce, just by taking simple steps in many cases, taking known technologies with a very low cost, sometimes even no cost, and putting them in place when they have the opportunity because they now know where the emissions are and how significant they are. Now, for us as a company, we've gone from being just a few people with a crazy idea to launch satellites to monitor this around the world, to today, we have almost 200 people working around the world, operating a fleet of over 10 satellites. As a team, it's very important for us to celebrate successes and to have the efforts and the innovations that we've developed over the years recognized by such a prestigious award is really important to all of us.